Hey, it's Terry Bontemps, real estate investors around the world. Hey, let's do this. Hey, let's make some money, a lot of money, build wealth, get rich and be millionaires, building our own rental portfolio. First thing you need to do is download my new real-life, realistic, real estate monopoly type house flipping game. Whoa, that's a lot. That I developed called Bank Foreclosure Millionaire from the Google Play Store or App Store so that you can learn and practice how to buy, manage, sell, and flip houses. I will be reviewing level 3 today, which is about being a landlord building a rental portfolio. See, a landlord makes his or her profit by renting their property to tenants, which is one of the oldest ways of building wealth in real estate. As a landlord, you want to find deals that are in the bread and butter neighborhoods that will attract good long-term tenants. We will buy the property in this level with our own capital. You can finance it, but with the numbers I'm using today to teach you, you will fund the deal using your own capital, whether it's your own cash or your 401k. We'll buy the property, keep it, and receive mailbox money or direct deposit dollars for long-term income. Mailbox money comes in regardless of whether you're working or not. Matter of fact, passive income is what that's called. That's one of my favorite types of income. In the game, I'm trying to get a 14% ROI. Now, you can shoot for anything you want. You're not limited as far as what your ROI is, but for the game, it's developed specifically for a 14% ROI on your investment. Here's the beauty. 14%, if you're getting a 14% return on your investment, it's only going to take you 86 months to get your investment back. Okay, 86 months to get your investment back. That's about 7 years for tenants' monthly payments to return your total investment back. You'll own the house free and clear, plus if you add in future appreciation, the tax benefits, and you're getting your original investment back, hey, that's a pretty valuable asset to add to your real estate investment portfolio. Cha-ching! Ha-ha! That's nice. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about the formula you need to use in Bank Foreclosure Millionaire as a landlord to build your rental portfolio. Let me tell you guys this. I got my calculator out. I've got my paper, my pen, but tell you what, because the numbers on this are really challenging for me to remember and use in my brain. Again, now this may be a person that maybe is behind on the property taxes. I went out and maybe they seen my classified ad. We buy houses. So they decided to give me a call. I drive over, and that was my car, and I go, that's me knocking on the door. And so after I do all that research, I come to find out that the property has a after repaired value of $89,000. It needs $3,000 in repairs. So what I got to do is figure out what I'm going to offer that owner. So in order to get the number one box, your maximum allowable offer plus your repairs plus your cost equals your investment. Guys, that's confusing. Okay, here's an easier way to do the math. So in line 1, what we're trying to do is use mail. You're going to use mail plus your cost equal your investment. Again, mail plus your cost equal your investment. So, got to figure out the mail. The mail maximum allowable offer is $89,000. I'm going to go into my calculator so you guys can see how I do the math. Okay, clear that out. So we got $89,000 times 70%. Whoops, that's 62.3. Let me do it again. $89,000 times 70% equals 62.3. Okay, so again, I got to add my cost to that. My cost, okay, is, let's see, going back to here. My cost is going to be $8,900. So 62.3 and $8,900. Got to go to the calculator. Going back and forth in paper. Plus $8,900. 71.2, okay, 71.2 is what I want to put in that first box. Let's see if I got the right answer. Bam, there we go, okay? So that's how you figure out line 1. Let's do line 2 now. Line 2 is basically what you're going to do. My investment is 71.2. I need to multiply that by 14%. What that's going to do is give me my annual rent. So I multiply it by 14%. 71.2 by 14%. times 14%, $9,968. Okay, again, that's annual. In order to get the monthly, I got to divide it by 12. Okay, so I divide by 12. That gives me $830.66. Let's just round it up to $831. So I go back into the game and $831. Bam, got it. Okay, the one thing I know, okay, time to get my investment back. Basically what you have to do, you have to divide your investment by the rent. Okay, divide your investment by the rent, and that's going to equal the number of months to get your investment back. See, I know because I've done these numbers so many times, I know that it's going to take me 86 months, but I want to show you guys how I do it. How you do it with the calculator. Okay, again, your investment was $71,200. Okay, so that's what we're going to use first. So we take 71,200, and then we're going to divide it by our rent, which was again $831. Bam. There you go. 86 months. So let's go back and put 86 months in there. See what happens. 89. Let me try 89. That's the wrong answer. Remember, again, the answer is 86. I'm just helping you guys out here. Helping you understand you got to put the right answers in this game. That's the real big challenge. Not 81. Let's quit messing around. Let's go ahead and go 86. Get over with this and move on. Buy some more real estate. Bam. Heard the cash register ring, okay? That's great. Next, I'm going to go buy some more property, okay? Let's go buy some more property and be able to increase our income here. So let's see, where do I want to buy at now? Let's try over here. I love real estate. I love California. So can you guys get 14% in your state? Hell yeah. You can get it that anywhere if you know how to get your numbers. You can get it in Florida, New York, Illinois, Arizona, Vegas, and California. Again, that's where I'm from, so I'm going to buy me some more rental property so I can increase my income, quit my job, retire with some passive income. All right, so I got to do my mail plus repairs plus my costs. Again, I'm going to do this one more time for you guys. So we do the math, 77,000 times 70%. Boom, that's 53.9. Okay, now I have to figure out what my repair value, 10%, so I got to add another $7,700 to that number. 7700. Where you at? Oh, plus 53.9, was it? 53.9. 61.6. Excuse me, 61.6. So I go back to the game. I put my 61.6 in. Bam. Boom. Remember, time's clicking if I'm doing this. Let's see, how much is my rent? Got to go back to rent. You guys know how to do rent, right? Okay, again, if you haven't got it figured out, you got to multiply it by what amount for your ROI that you're trying to achieve. See, we're trying to achieve 14%, so I multiply by 14%. Boom, that gives me $86.24. Remember, that's my annual. That's how much rent I'm going to collect in a whole year. In order to get the monthly, what do? That's right. Divided by 12. Bam, $718.66. What are we going to round it up to? $719. So I go back to the game. I put in my $719. Boom, right answer. And again, when you're getting 14%, you guys, think of this automatically. How long is it going to take to get your investment back? I know it's 86 months. Again, that number is stuck in my head. When I go to bed at night, I'm going, hey, Terry, you're going to make 14% even better. But for this, 14%, get my money back in 86 months. Bam, right. Let me go back to the calculator to show you guys how that was done. Again, I take my investment, which was 61.6. That's how much I got to put into this deal. And I got to divide it by the monthly payment, which was $719. Bam, 86 months, you guys. Works out every time. You got to know your numbers. You got to know your math in order to be expert at real estate so you can make a lot of money. So now, I'm going to go buy another house. But before I do that, let me tell you guys this. The first property that I did in California had monthly payments of $813. The second one we just worked on has payments of $719. So if I had two houses paid off and I was getting those rents, I'd be up to $1,532 a month. $1,500 a month. That's not a lot of money in some places like the Bay Area of California, but in some areas that is a lot of money, okay? So guess what? If you got that type of money coming in and it's passive income coming through mailbox money or direct deposit, could that make that $1,500, could that make your house payment? In some countries of the world it could. So let somebody else make the house payments on your house instead of you going out and working for it at a job. Hey, could that $1,500 make a car payment? I'm pretty sure it could. That's going to make a luxury car payment. And if you don't want to drive a luxury car, hey, drive a Volkswagen, no problem. Will it make some grocery payments? Will it make some utility payments? Think of it that way. Hey, guess what? Can it pay for your kids? Could an extra $1,500 pay for your kids or grandkids' college education? See, this is why I love real estate. Let me go buy some more. I got to buy some more rental property here. Bam, okay, here we go. Another property in California, $127,000 with 17.5 repairs. Oh boy, that's a big number. No way I can do that in my head with pressure on me. So we go 127. I multiply it times my mail number. Whoops, getting excited. 127 times 7. Bam, got to slow myself down. I get too fast. Times 70%. That gives me my 88.9, okay? 88.9 is my mail, and I go back in here. Then I have to add the 12,700, which is 10%. That's my cost, so 12,700 is what I got to add to this number. 12,700. 101,600. That's what I got to put in there. 101,600. Bam, right answer. So, again, how do I get the rent? I'm waiting on you guys to tell me like I can hear through this microphone. Man, this stuff is fun. I don't know why more people are not doing real estate having this much fun. 101, what we got to do is multiply that by 14%. Let me go to the calculator. Multiply that by 14% because that's my return on investment. That's what I want on my investment. And that's going to give me what? My annual rent. That's how much I'm getting a year from my investment. But what do I have to do to get the monthly? Again, you got to divide by 12. I know you guys are getting this. Now you need to go get the game and start putting the numbers in so your brain can move fast, so you can understand your numbers, so you can be a better negotiator, so you can make more money, build wealth, get rich, and be a millionaire. Ho-ho. So my rent is $1,185. Let's see if that's right. Come on, gang, where you at? Okay, $1,185. Bam, boy, you guys are getting this now. Okay, and again, I already know how many months it's going to take me because I already got it figured out. 86. I'm not even going to do it in the calculator. I'm just going to put it in automatically. It takes me 86 months. Bam. Cha-ching, heard the calculator. So, guys, boy, I love this one, but tell you what, I still got more to go. I got level 4, which I love. That's buying notes. I'm really going to unleash on some training with you there. We got level 5, which is going to be a money partner, borrowing money from a money partner, splitting profits 50-50, 60-40, 70-30. Hey, how about if you just ask for a $4,000 upfront fee and then split the profits 50-50, 60-40, 70-30? How much money will you make? Again, this is what this game is all about. Then I've got level 6, which is a private lender, borrowing money from private lender, 12 to 18%. Then we got the hard money lender. The hard money lender's got points. They got prepayment penalty. They got interest-only loan, and then they're only going to loan 65% of the loan value. Well, what's all that going to cost in order for me to make money to buy a house and have it financed through a hard money lender? Then level 8 is going to be the best, which is buying notes in bulk and buying REOs in bulk. So, hey, this is Terry Bontemps. You got any questions on my game, feel free to call me, 916-470-3869. Okay, 916-470-3869. If you're looking for a coach and a mentor, someone to help you make more money, build wealth, get rich, and be a millionaire flipping and buying and selling houses, feel free to give me a call, 916-470-3869. Again, download the game, Bank Foreclosure Millionaire. Why? Because this game is better than Monopoly. Listen close. It's better than Monopoly for real estate investors. Why? Because this is realistic. What did the game of Monopoly teach you about making money? What strategies did Monopoly teach you about making money? What about cash flow? What did cash flow teach you? I'm not knocking those games. I'm just saying this is more realistic, more real world for today's real estate market, tomorrow's real estate market. The market when I'm gone is still going to be about flipping houses, buying rental properties, wholesaling, buying notes, and borrowing money. Hey, you guys have a great one. This one really excited me. Wait till you see level 4.